Thank you for having us today. All right, let's make some music.
For those of you that have never had to conduct that movement live, that's like a moment of passage for any conductor. Just like it's a rite of passage to get through that movement because it's so hard. There's so many places to fail. Thank you for saving him like 700 times. But that's great.
Yeah.
I've got a couple things for you, then I'm going to toss it back over to Dr. Snow and let him talk to you a little bit a couple of things. Can we go to 14? We're going to start at 14. Where is it? Yes, 14. Okay, here's the trick with 14. When you have duple beats, they need to be small. When you have triple beats, they need to be big. So when you have ba 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 da ba 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 da boop bum bum ba da beep small small small. Here's big 1 2 3 1. That way they can fit all three of those eighths notes in. So the trick is small beats small, big beats big. That's the trick. They've heard me say this a billion times. I'm sure it's on the bingo card.
It is, yep.
They literally made a bingo card of all the things I was going to say today, and they're back there playing bingo all day long.
That means they know you well.
Yeah, readers already got 2 bingos, evidently. Okay. But small beats small, big beats big. I want you to try that at 14. Just use more space on the 3/8.
All right. Pick up the measure 14.
Get those arms in front of you.
Yeah.
And more in front. There you go. We're going to play a little game, because if you can master this, you can put this into any piece ever you do, ever, right? Count 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, whatever you think I'm doing. Here we go. Do you see that? Okay, you do that. Play that game. Make the big beats so different that they know exactly which one to count. Go ahead, play with them. Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
Isn't it fun?
Yeah, I like that I can also hear the inflection that they
Yes.
know it's coming.
They know it's coming.
Yeah.
It's all about the preparation and the size, right? Now, let's do it the wrong way. Count. You hear that? Right? You see them all, they're like, lean in to see what's happening, right? Because I'm using the same space and changing the speed, which doesn't work. When you want to do small beats and big beats separately, you change the space. That's how to make it clear. Okay, go 14. Here we go. It's a fun trick, and it works in every piece you'll ever do.
Pick up 14.
Arms in front of you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Smaller. Small. Small. One. Big here. Good. Let's go back to 2. Go to box 2. Here we go. Same idea. Big beats big, small beats small. Here's box 2. Good. Here's a trick for you that I think will work well. Here, subdivide that in 3. So, beep, ba, bum, ba, dee, ba, da, 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 ba, ba. Just subdivide the last 3/8. That'll make that bigger, and it's easier to follow. Okay, try that. Here's 2 again. Again, big beats big, small beats small. Make a big difference. One. Yeah, good. See how easy that is? That's another little trick. Just do that. And that one works out really well. Okay, now let's jump over to the other spot where we can do this. Where's the piccolo thing? Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to tell you, this bar you did half too short. And think about it. If this goes 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and off.
Okay, so I still have to conduct the 8th note. At
I would, because if you
Okay.
don't, you're going to do what everybody does, which is this. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, off. And that bar is half as long as Grainger asks you to do it. See what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's go. So let's hit that. Let's go. Your score is so tiny. I'm old. I can't see this. Whatever that number is, go there. Is that 28?
Measure 28.
Thank you. Goodness.
All right. Let's do pick
You
up
have
the 28.
eyes like a hawk. Goodness. It's like size 2 font. Keep going. 1, 2. So do those as big beats. Ba-dee-da, 1, 2, 3, 1 and a 2, 3, 4, ba-doo-da-dee-da-da-doo. There, just do big and small, okay? There's no way we're out of time, Reader. I don't care. Nope. Well, we're going to have to go just a second longer. That one's fine. Let's do this. Is that 50? We're going to go 50 to the end. I'm going to give you one more shot at 50 to the end. That's the only place we had a little fumbles. A couple of fumbles.
Absolutely,
Let's go 50 to the end.
All right. Measure 50.
On that, boom, ba, 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 beep, ba, ba, I would pull the tip through all this instead of hammering them on all those beats. I would think more legato, more this direction, and just let them soar those triplets on down, and then be more hammering at the free time again. Okay? Let's try one more time. When you do 50, zaka-taka-da, freeze right there, and then unka-taka-taka-da, freeze. Sumpa, sam, da-dam, and then go.
Freeze the fermata. Got it.
Yeah, freeze in the fermata. Yeah. Here's 50.
All right, same place.
Relax, relax. Breathe. Good. Last three notes. Here we go. Watch. Last three. That's one way. Or, last three. You want to keep these lower. And I'm pretty low and they can't see that because I'm standing on the ground. Right? What is that supposed to mean?
2 minutes over.
Last three notes.
Last. All right. Last three. Last three notes.
Reader, you're buying your own dinner tonight. Just kidding. Okay, thanks. We're done.
Okay.
All
Yeah.
right.
Sorry, that was trying.